probably.
I believe it.
Inside position, Anthony. Keep working inside. Get your arms inside. One arm inside. Get your arm inside, Anthony. Don't let them lock up around your neck. Arm inside. Keep snapping them a little bit too. Arm inside, one arm inside all the time. Okay, now you snap them if you want. Snap them down a little bit. There it is. Keep going. Mess with it, mess with it. Then you can snap and... Yeah. Circle too, circle. Circle right, circle left, or whatever. Come on, come on. Nice, nice lateral drop. Get on top, get on top.
What you do, win, no me?
Yeah. Settle your weight down low. Settle down low. Get a deep grip on his neck. Deep grip. Okay, now. Don't let him get your guard. Come on. Posture up. Pass. Watch your feet. Watch your feet. Watch your feet. Watch your feet. Don't give him that position. You got to step one leg up. Keep one leg back. Watch your arms. Hold. Good. Work up north-south. Work up north-south to the side. Towards his back, Anthony. Get away from his leg. You don't want him around his leg. There it is. Reverse triangle right there. Nice. Nice. Hook your arms underneath the arm. Seat out. Nice. Hooks.
There you go.
Good. Working up. Climbing up on his neck, Anthony. One position at a time. Keep your heels tight. Squeeze your knees. Keep working up towards that neck. Move with them. Okay. Figure four your legs, Anthony. Keep with them. Keep moving with them. Get on him. Pass. Take your arms back. Use your knee to drive forward on that leg. Come on. Hey. Get your back, hey, get your body down. Don't let it get so high up on your back. Get your elbows back now. Posture up. Good. Posture up. Post on his body. Elbows in. Posture up. Good. Clamp your knee together now. Squeeze your left knee in towards him. Squeeze your left knee in. Don't slam. Yeah, don't slam. Okay, posture up. Get your head up in the air. Remember, put that knee on the ground if you don't like it. Right? Yeah, keep your feet. Yeah, get that elbow back. Hold that elbow back. Squeeze your left knee in. Anthony. Squeeze your left knee in towards him. Get that arm back. Don't reach back, Anthony. Good, nice pass. Beautiful. Get on top. Do that pass again, right there. Knee to the ground. Get that knee right there.
Great.
Okay, get your arms back. Get that arm back. There it is. Posture up now. Elbows in and posture up. Right? Elbows in a good position. Posture up. Use your elbows to push on his legs a little bit. Okay, posture up, Anthony. Come on, get the head out there. Posture up, elbows in. Good positioning. So get your other elbow back too. Both elbows back. There. One knee up. Get those arms back. Get your arms back. Posture up. Get that arm back. Watch out. Keep your body back, keep your body back, keep your body back. There it is, now. Good. I don't want you to reach back anymore, Anthony.
30 seconds.
Get on top, pass, pass, pass. Grab his ankles, Again. Pressure on that leg, step over it with your left knee, go over that leg. See if you can get your left knee up. Push it down, push your left knee down with your hand. Left hand down. Push that left knee down, Push your left hand back, Anthony. Push that knee down on the ground. Get that back. Don't give it to him. Don't give it to him. Kids would throw that Polar.
10 seconds. 5 minutes.